Imagine an election where the richest voters go first, and if they agree, everyone else doesn't even get a turn. That was ancient Rome. It had several assemblies, and each one did different power moves. First up, the comitia centuriata, the century assembly. Think of citizens grouped by military class into centuries. This assembly elected top dogs like consuls, could declare war. Citizens sorted into 35 tribes, mostly by where you lived, passed laws. Its decisions, plebiscites, applied just to plebs. But after the Lex Hortensia in 287 BCE, those votes became binding on all Romans. How did this look in real life? Picture the Campus Martius, a wide field outside the sacred city boundary. Then the crowd broke into voting units. Work? Sometimes. Was it pure democracy? Not really. Then outright electioneering tilted the field. Street gangs and headline-grabbing speeches could swing outcomes. Recap: 3 main assemblies, centuriata for war, top elect, tributa for laws and offices, especially after Lex Hortensia. It wasn't perfect, but for centuries it gave Romans a voice, loud, chaotic, and world-changing. If you want me to break down the Senate next, say the word.